Are you looking for a tree service company in Austin or Manor, Texas? Need an emergency tree removal service? We have built our reputation for hard work and client satisfaction, which means that choosing a company has never been simpler. We specialize in fast and affordable tree care services for home or business owner. Call us now. 512-337-6335. Castro Family Landscaping is your one-stop shop for any tree care need in Austin or Manor, Texas. From basic logging and land clearing, stump removal, tree planting, tree pruning, tree removal, tree transplanting, tree trimming, and other emergency tree services. Castro Family Landscaping has been in the industry for so many years. We are confident in bringing you the best tree services. Book now for a free expert survey. Call us today. 512-337-6335.